Hello, so you're a creator on YouTube and you have not been getting subscribers and you have not been getting watch hours and you don't know what to do. You are stuck in one place, you are confused, you don't know whether to quit YouTube or to continue. So today I'm about to share with you one powerful growth tools that can change your channel. I know you might have seen a lot of people telling you do this if you want to grow faster on YouTube, and you must have watched videos about how to grow faster on YouTube. You must have applied all those methods and it failed. None of them worked for you. I have this one method, this only method that you need to apply. Then you will see that your channel will grow from 0 to 100. Yes, I've used this method and it really worked for me. It helped my channel grow. For this particular method, you're going to be using your studio analytics. Your studio analytics will help you get the topic that your audience have been searching for. If you go to my previous videos and everything, you will see that my videos were not doing well. My videos were not performing so well. I was getting low views. I tried this particular method and it really helped. I've been getting subscribers since I started using this method, and I've been getting watch hours. Yes, my watch hours has doubled and my subscribers count has really doubled. What am I talking about? What is this growth tool? This growth tool is simply called live streaming. Yes, you heard me right. Live streaming is very powerful. It will help your channel grow if you are doing it the right way. Yes, you might have been doing it the wrong way and you are not getting the views, you're not getting the subscribers, and you're not getting the watch hours. Once you use this method the right way, you'll be getting subscribers and you'll be getting watch hours. And this method is not about using one particular app to live stream for 12 hours and you'll be getting watch hours. No, this one is using your YouTube live stream, just your YouTube live stream to live stream, and you'll be getting your subscribers and you'll be getting your watch hours. Hi, I'm Ella, and on this channel, I teach creators on how to grow on YouTube. If you want to grow quicker and faster on YouTube, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on your notification so that you'll be notified each time I upload growth hacks like this. So let's dive in on how you will use live stream to get subscribers and get watch hours. So for this particular method, you're going to be using your studio analytics. Your studio analytics will help you get the topic that your audience have been searching for in your niche. So I'll be showing you how to use it. If you don't know how to get the topics that your audience have been searching for or your audience have searched for on YouTube for the past 28 days, I'll be showing you how to go to your studio analytics to get the top searches, and you can use it for your topic as a discussion during your live stream.
First of all, you click on your YouTube studio. Once you get to your dashboard, then you will go to analytics. Once you click on analytics, you put it on trends.
By clicking on the top searches, you will be seeing all the videos that your audience have searched for in the last 28 days. Yes, for here in my own niche, I'm seeing how to upload on YouTube, tips to create a YouTube channel, how to increase subscribers on YouTube channel, how to create a monetized YouTube channel, important settings for YouTube channel, how to earn money from YouTube latest videos, so and so on. You will see videos, yes, from these searches, from these top searches. It will make you to make your own video on the related topics. Yes, because on this search you can be able to go viral. Make a video on your top search. This will help your video to go viral. So in this particular method, remember that the minimum that you will live stream is 1 hour. Yes, you will live stream for 1 hour. You can live stream for 2 hours, then it's okay, but the minimum you will live stream is 1 hour. Maybe you must have been live streaming, maybe you will live stream for 50 minutes, 30 minutes or thereabout. But in this particular method, you are going to be live streaming for 1 hour. YouTube tends to push long form videos, not the 6 minutes videos or the 10 minutes videos. No, I mean the long form videos like 1 hour, 2 hours or thereabout. Okay, I've been live streaming for the minimum I live stream is 1 hour 30 minutes and the maximum is 2 hours. Yes, so once you live stream for this hour, 1 hour or 2 hour, YouTube will tend to push out your videos and you'll be using this topic as a discussion. Yeah, so that YouTube will know, the algorithm will find the right audience for your video. Don't just live stream for the sake of live stream. Once you're live stream, you'll be talking about, you discussing about the topic. Yes, you make sure you study your topic very well. The topic that you are going to pick in your studio analytics. Make sure you study it very well. You know about the topics and you come and be discussing it to your audience during your live streaming. When you discuss it, YouTube will know the right audience to push your videos to. Yes, don't just live streaming, don't just live streaming to be chatting with your audience. Make sure that your topic is in line with what you are doing, so that as YouTube is pushing your videos out there, it will be getting the right audience. And those people, they know that if they are subscribing to your channel to watch your particular video, to get your content, and make sure your content are giving values. The reason why you'll be using topic related to your niche to live stream as a discussion during your live streaming is that it takes up to 24 hours for YouTube to upload your videos after live streaming. Yes, YouTube will get to process your videos and put it out there for the public to watch. When you use the right topic that are related to your niche during your live stream discussion, once you upload it, YouTube will use it to get the right audience. And make sure you are using the right description and the right topics, and get a thumbnail, a catchy thumbnail that your audience can click on. Once you get the right thumbnail and the right topics and the right description for your video, for that your particular video, once you put it, combine them together, when YouTube upload your video, it will find the right audience. Once it finds the right audience, they will come and watch your videos. They know that they are coming to learn a particular things. For instance, I talk about YouTube growth. Okay, I'll be talking about content that are related to YouTube growth, content that's related to YouTube tips, growth hacks, growth tips, and others during my live stream discussion. Once I upload my video, YouTube will tend to push out my video to people that want to grow their channel on YouTube. And once it gets to the right audience, they'll be coming to my channel to know that they are coming to watch how to grow on YouTube and the tips that can help them grow on YouTube. And with then you'll be getting the watch hours, you'll be getting the subscribers. I bet you once you apply this method, you'll be getting your subscriber and you'll be getting your watch hours. Wrapping it up here, I assure you that live streaming is one of the most powerful growth tools that you can use to grow on YouTube. You can use to grow faster and quicker on YouTube once you are doing it the right way. If you apply this method step by step on how I discuss it, I bet you'll be getting the subscriber and you'll be getting the watch hours. Tell me in the comment section if you are going to apply this method that we just discussed. Thank you for watching my videos. See you on my next video. Bye.